How to recover your Facebook account. If any day you would like to recover your Facebook account, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. It can either be through the Facebook or the Facebook Lite. I like to use Facebook Lite, so I launch Facebook Lite on my mobile device. You have to tap on the Facebook or the Facebook Lite, and the Facebook will be launched on your mobile device. Now you have to tap the mobile number or the email address that you want to log in. Like this, I feel the mobile number option very easy, so I type my mobile number out here. And since you do not know your password, now you have to go to the option of login out here. And when you go to the option of login, when you have not entered your password, you have to go to the option of forgotten password. After you go to the option of forgotten password, now you have to tap on the very Facebook account, which is your account. And after you tap on that, you see a screen like this. Now, if you have the access to phone number, you can go to the option of continue. Otherwise, you can go to the option of try another way. After you go to the option of try another way, there are various kind of option. Number first, the code can be sent to you through WhatsApp on your mobile phone. After that, it can also be done through the phone call. It can also be done through the Facebook notification, or it can also be done through the email that you have access to. Since I have access to my email, I tap on my very email account and I go to the option of continue. After that, you can see a screen like this, and your very Facebook code will be provided to your very email or the very Gmail account that you put here. And after you put the Facebook code out here, you have to go to the option of continue, and then your very Facebook account will be open on your very mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.